for ball. B for bat. B for balloon. B for bag. B for banana. B for ball. B for bee. B for deer. B for what? B for boy.